gonna share with you how I made this costume out of paper mache. After 3 days of work, it's gonna be picked up today at 5 o'clock, so I got a couple of hours to film it and share it with you guys. Having done quite a few paper mache projects now, I've come to realize a few things. I made mistakes and I learned from them. So I'm also gonna share with you 5 useful tips on how to make the best paper mache projects. One, plan enough time. Paper mache takes long to dry. How long depends completely on how much paste you put, how many layers you put on top of each other, and how humid it is in the environment you're in. Yeah, the one that I made in this video, that dried overnight, so say like 15-16 hours. A fan will also help you with the drying process. Number 2, cut out the shape for your sculpture in cardboard. This will be like the skeleton for your sculpture. And number 3, use thin layers of paste and ensure that you don't leave air bubbles or lumps underneath the paper strips. It doesn't require a lot of paste to become strong, but it will take very, very long to dry if you put too much. Also, place the paper strips across each other in different directions. This will make the sculpture stronger. Tip number 4. Leave your sculpture to dry overnight and place cups and bowls and stuff underneath to support it and keep the shape that you want of the sculpture. So you can see in this sculpture that I made in this video, you can see the different cups underneath and how they are supporting the shape and making the spiral go up and making the fingers kind of crawl like that. And finally, tip number 5. Use acrylic paint to decorate your sculpture. This will give it a vibrant a vibrant look. You can also add varnish on top if you want a little bit of extra shine to it. And because you watched all the way till here, I'm gonna give you one bonus tip. And that is, if you want to avoid the headache of covering newspaper ink, use the last layer that you make out of the paper mache, use white paper instead of newspaper, because it takes a lot of time and very strong paint to cover the ink. And I did that mistake in this sculpture that I made, and I had to paint a lot of layers for it to be covered, so yeah. But I made a white layer first and then I painted on top of that, so it all worked out fine. But yeah, it would have been quicker if I used white paper for the last layer. So here is the full costume. And you can see this one over here can be adjustable, so you can put it higher up or lower down depending on where your waist is. And I placed a belt here on the side and this one around the neck. And if you want, you can make this string longer and make it an X over the back and then tie it over here to make it even stronger. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this was useful for you, and good luck with your future paper mache projects. Subscribe to the channel and I will see you soon. This is ready for collection, so I'm just wrapping it up. And as a little surprise, I'm gonna add a London Art Learning, some call it mess, I call it art, t-shirt inside the package.